Modern bed design has evolved significantly over the years, reflecting changes in lifestyle, technology, and aesthetics. Today's beds are not just functional pieces of furniture, they are focal points that enhance the overall ambience of a bedroom. With an emphasis on minimalist designs, clean lines, and innovative materials, modern beds cater to diverse tastes while prioritizing comfort. One of the defining features of modern bed design is the use of high-quality materials. From sleek metals and rich woods to luxurious upholstery, contemporary beds often incorporate a mix of textures and finishes. For instance, platform beds made from solid wood or metal frames provide a sturdy base while maintaining a low profile that suits various interior styles. Upholstered beds, on the other hand, bring a touch of elegance and warmth, often adorned with tufted headboards that add visual interest. Functionality is another crucial aspect of modern bed design. Many contemporary beds now feature built-in storage solutions, such as drawers or compartments, making them ideal for maximizing space in smaller bedrooms. This clever integration of storage keeps the room organized and decluttered, allowing for a more serene environment. Additionally, adjustable bases have gained popularity, enabling users to customize their sleeping positions for enhanced comfort and support. The rise of smart technology has also influenced modern bed design. Smart beds equipped with adjustable firmness, sleep tracking, and temperature control offer a personalized sleeping experience. These technological advancements not only cater to individual preferences, but also promote better sleep health by providing insights into sleep patterns and quality. The integration of voice control and mobile apps further enhances convenience, allowing users to adjust settings effortlessly. Aesthetically, modern beds often embrace a minimalist philosophy, focusing on simplicity and functionality. This approach creates a tranquil and uncluttered space that promotes relaxation. Neutral color palettes, geometric shapes, and understated designs are hallmarks of contemporary style, making it easy to blend these beds into various interior designs, from industrial to Scandinavian.